Okay, so this is the stump, right?
Who are you asking?
I'm not talking to you. We pretty much beat it. Yeah, bye. We pretty much beat it to death with a sledgehammer. B, watch out. And as you can see, there's kind of like this brown part here. Oh God. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. That's what I'm pretty much saying.
Kids kind of get to sit on that nice table, chair. Yeah. I like what really these little stools with.
And the wood, it's just like a big mushroom. It smells like it. It weighs half as much as it would. And it's just wet and freezing.
Yes, I know. And that was from this tree. Was it? Yeah.
See, this only weighs like 5 pounds, and it's like probably would have weighed like 15 pounds.
Yeah, you did a nice job of that.
Yeah, you're not kidding.
Whoa.
Yeah. Those are like so unique and so.
I'll help you. Here.
Yeah, you grab that bee, okay.
Okay.
Hey, show B.
Nice one.
Okay.
I want to just kick this real quick. Yeah.
Is
Okay.
this the whole video?
Yep.
This is like a 10-minute video. That's gonna.
It's a 2-minute video. Holy crap.
What time does the phone say?
2:17.
Turn it off, bro.
What time does the phone? I'm talking about what time is it?
Oh.